This video will show you how you can fix the special characters problem on your keyboard on Windows 11. This is happening because you're using a region that your keyboard doesn't support. So you've bought a keyboard and you're using either the US or the UK layout. Either way, it conflicts with your current keyboard. Now I'm going to show you how you can change this to get the correct keyboard layout. So what we can do is we can go to the Start menu, and then you want to go to Settings. So either click on it or go ahead and search for Settings. Once you've done that, you then need to go to Time and Language. Then you need to go to Language and Region. So currently I'm on the UK region, and we can go ahead and change it to the US one. Now, whichever way you're trying to change it, it's probably going to be in between the US or the UK region. So here's what you need to do. You need to go to Preferred Languages and go ahead and add the other language. So right here, I've got the US one and I've added the UK one. So if we go Add Language, we can type in United Kingdom, and I can go ahead and click on it, and then I can click on Next and Install. Now, once we've got it installed, we can have both of them here, and we can go ahead and change it to either one. Now, how do we exactly change it? Well, you need to go to the first one, which for me is English US, click on the three dots, and then go to Language Options. Here, if you scroll down, you will then see Installed Keyboards. You can then see the keyboard which is currently installed, so for me that is UK. If I wanted to change this to the US one, we would click Add a Keyboard, and then you need to find the keyboard that you need to change it to. So for me, that is going to be United States International, which we can go ahead and click. What I would then do is remove the incorrect one, which for me is the UK one. So we can click on it and we can click remove. Now we can always add this back later, but just click remove. So you've got only the correct one here, which for me is the US one. Then go back to Language and Region and go back to your second language. Click on the three dots and then click Language Options. And again, go ahead and click Add Keyboard. Select the keyboard that you want, which for me is the US one, and then remove the incorrect one. So now you've added the correct keyboard, which for me is the US one. We can now just simply restart the computer, and once we restart, the changes will have taken place, and your problem will then be fixed and you'll have the correct keyboard layout. That's how you do it. Please leave a like and comment if it helped.